Hi YouTube, this is Joe Calton with Calton Cutlery. You can find us on the web, caltoncutlery.com. This is actually the third time I've tried to shoot this video. The first was lighting it up. That didn't go so well, so we ended up lighting it up on camera. And then this time we've got part of aluminum wheel in there that should be just about ready to start dripping out the hole here at the bottom. But this is my scrapping furnace. And pretty much what I found today is that 10 pounds of air pressure on this system is way too much. I've got it running 4 pounds of pressure right now. What happened was that all that air pressure made the oil flow too fast. And so filled up the burner with oil. And then, of course, it wouldn't run very well with it full of oil. So right now I do finally have the air inlet on the blower all the way open. And I've just got the oil valve, I want to say it's about half a round open. And it seems to be burning pretty good. Now, I did have about 2 inches worth of aluminum in the bottom that melted, but it didn't quite come out the bottom, so I'm fighting that a little bit. But I just put a part of an aluminum alloy wheel in there a minute or two ago, so it should start coming out pretty soon. There we go. Looks like I finally got it working right. Watch, I'll run out of oil here in a minute or two. This C channel is a good size that these ingots will fit inside my my crucibles for my foundry at home in the shop. So this is just to break them down, and then I'll clean them up more later. I'm going to try to add just a touch more oil and see what happens. This is only the second time that I've been able to get this thing up and running. Of course, it's the second day of trying also. I tried about a week ago and ran out of oil. And this time I put 20 gallons of oil in the hot water heater tank. Of course, with that tank, I have no way of knowing how much more oil I have left. And like I said, I've got 4 pounds of air pressure on the acetylene regulator on that tank. And 4 pounds instead of 10 pounds has made this thing so much more controllable. It's like night and day. Now when you make a 16th or an 1/8 of a round turn on that valve, you just get a little bit more instead of, that much is good, that much is way too much. I suppose now would be a good time for the safety tip. Since the YouTuber that taught me how to build all this, his name or his handle is Oil Burner. Go ahead and look it up on YouTube. The guy's got some incredible stuff. But he does safety tips on every single video. There goes my air compressor firing up. And he calls them safety tips for the safety sissies and the whiners and the whingers, which I'm not sure what a whinger means. Oh. Anyway, my safety tip is the waste oil might look like coffee, but it's not. Even though it might look good, don't drink it. And if you do and you live through it, make sure to post a video up on YouTube letting us know what it did to you. This is way nicer than breaking this stuff down with a saw. Most all that smoke is actually steam. The ground's wet. It's a real nice day, about 45 degrees, so all the snow's melting. we're gonna call that about good. This thing is so hot that it's taken my breath away. I mean, I wish I would have brought my laser thermometer out to show you how hot the exterior just surrounding this is. But it's pretty incredible. And like I said, I'm not even half open on my my fuel valve. But this will give me enough aluminum probably to last me half a year for my casting project. So the next time I fire it up, maybe I'll see what it does at all the way out. But yeah, I've got one more aluminum wheel to melt down, and then we'll shut it down, call the fire department, let them know we're done, and call it a day. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry it was so long coming. But everything now seems to be working great. The oil filtration system, the oil cake coming out of that barrel was really nice and clean, flowed real nice. It's a mix of engine oil, gear oil, transmission fluid. Pretty much whatever I could get off anybody that I knew that might have old oil laying around. But anyway, thanks again to the YouTuber oil burner, and hope you enjoy the video, especially since you're the one that taught me how to do all this. And hope the rest of you enjoyed the video also, and we'll see you next time.